Do you want to make money online in 2022? Is your goal to make lots of money this year? Alright, in today's video, I will share with you my top 5 ways of making money online in 2022. Number 1. Selling print-on-demand products. A print-on-demand business is a great way to monetize your creativity and sell customized products online. Print-on-demand allows sellers to customize white-label products with their designs and sell them only after a customer buys, eliminating the need to hold inventory. When a customer views the t-shirt mock-up, places an order, a print-on-demand company will add your design to the product, fulfill the order, and ship it to the customer. You can promote your products for free on Instagram, Pinterest, or Instagram influencers who convert their audience as well. By selling print-on-demand products, you can earn between $500 to $15,000 every month. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel. The best way to make money online is by starting a YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you think there'd be an audience for. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. Also, you can make extra income with YouTube Premium, affiliate marketing, channel memberships, super chat, sell merchandise, sponsorship. On average, YouTubers earn $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. Do you want to earn $200 to $300 from YouTube? Click on the link given in the description below and start making money today. Number 3. Become an influencer on Instagram. A popular method of making money online is by becoming an influencer. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. To make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, sell your products or services, add affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, monetize your videos with ads, and more. A content creator on Instagram with 100,000 followers can earn about $200 per post, while someone with 10,000 followers can make about $88 per post. Click on the link given in the description to earn money from Instagram. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Earn a commission as an affiliate by promoting products, services, or businesses on different platforms. When a customer clicks on an affiliate link and completes a purchase, you earn a percentage. If you want to get started in affiliate marketing the easy way, you can share affiliate links on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube videos, blogs, and other places that allow it. Affiliate products can pay 40 to 75% in commissions and higher. A successful affiliate marketer can make anywhere between 6 to 7 figures per month. Start earning $200 daily with affiliate marketing from today by clicking on the link given below in the description box. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. With so many entrepreneurs building businesses, the demand for virtual assistants is increasing almost daily. As a virtual assistant, you'll do a variety of tasks. Writing, order processing, bookkeeping, social media, sending emails, and customer support are just a few of the tasks you might be asked to do as a virtual assistant. You can earn money online on websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Indeed, or Upwork. You can also reach out to brands and entrepreneurs, asking if they're interested in hiring a virtual assistant. Build an active social media presence on Twitter and LinkedIn to help you find new clients. Becoming a virtual assistant, you can earn an average annual pay of around $67,000 per year. If you are looking for a perfect online job, then by clicking on the link given below, you will find online jobs in 5 minutes and start making money from today. I hope this video is helpful for you to earn money online in 2022. Please like the video and hit subscribe button now to see more interesting make money online videos like this. Share this video with your friends and family. What other ways do you know to earn money online? Tell us in the comment box. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.